welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing the viral Fulani braids with crochet here in the back. I've been looking at this style for a while, but I knew that I wanted to make it affordable because I was not paying $400 or $500 to get this hairstyle done. So we did it today with minimum spending. I did buy one pack of hair from Ywigs, which I'll show you guys later in the video, but it did end up filling up my small head, so yes, that's a plus. Right now I'm just sectioning the front of my head, so as you guys can see, I just parted apart in the middle. Try to make it as straight as you can. Obviously mine isn't that straight, but that's the beauty of doing your hair on your own. It doesn't have to be perfect and it still comes out cute. So this is the gel that I use. It's called Neat Braid Conditioning Gel, and this is really good for when you're doing any type of braids or you want your hair to really be nice and sleek while you're braiding. So I'm using that and I'm just parting off the sections that I want to start with. So I'm just kind of like looking at it and seeing how I want my parts to lay. So I did like a few slanted and then I did the rest of them going the other direction, and you're gonna see in a second how I really did it. But you want to just kind of play with it, section it out first before you kind of start braiding so that you know that each one is going to be even. So that's what I'm doing here. But yeah, you guys could do any style that you want. If you're not a big braider, I've also seen people do the rubber band method where you just rubber band the hairs together in a cute little style, and then that'll be like the front of your hair. So for this braid method, I did use a little bit of braiding hair in between each braid. So I started braiding my natural hair first. I probably did like 2 sets of going back with the braids, if that makes sense, and then I added a piece of braiding hair. So I braided it like twice, and then I added braiding hair, and then I braided it twice again, and then added braiding hair. Yeah, so I'm really just gonna repeat this method until I complete all the braids in the front. guys, so we're making progress. So on this side, I'm just gonna have three braids going in this direction, and then for the other side, I'm gonna start doing it in the other direction. So as you guys can see, I completed about 4 braids already, and I'm going in to the 5th braid right now and just doing the same method, starting with 3 little sections, braiding down and adding braiding hair, and then adding another piece of braiding hair as I go, so that all the braids look as similar as possible. So yeah, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing, guys? How are you watching this whole video and not subscribed? So definitely hit that subscribe button down below if you guys want to stay in touch with me and see more videos from me, more hair videos, more vlog videos, more gym content, makeup content. So just subscribe, guys, okay? Subscribe. So I'm gonna show you guys the hair that I got in a second. It's from Ywigs. I only got 1 pack, guys. So 1 pack came with these 2 little pieces, and guys, I was so worried because I'm like, should I buy another pack? But this was already $100 by itself. This is the 18-inch, and I'm like, I'm not about to spend another $100, so it's a wrap. So I got this extra hair from the beauty supply store, and I decided to just maybe add like some color to it if it wasn't enough, just in case. But these these 2 packs were actually enough because my head is really small. So I don't know if you have a small head, then I'm gonna reassure you that the pack is gonna be enough for the half of your head. But if you have a big head, I really can't reassure you because I don't know. But if you have a small head like mine, it's definitely going to be enough. I just tried my best to really separate it in a way that I still got a full look, and it came out good. So right now I'm just crocheting the hair inside. Hopefully you guys can see, but you just want to take the crochet needle, put it underneath your braid. First you want to close the crochet needle and then put it underneath your braid, and then you open it up, put your crochet hair onto the needle, close it, pull it through your braid, and then the hair is through the braid, and then you just tie it once or twice. I did it twice, just to really make sure that it's secure, and that's really it, guys. I'm gonna show you guys again so you guys can fully understand. So this is like a close-up. Alright guys, I let all the hair down just to see how it looks with the blonde hairs, because I wasn't sure how it was gonna look, but I just wanted to add like a little bit of it. So I just added it in little sections, as you guys can see, just to give it a little bit of color, a little bit of life, and I think it looks pretty good. I feel like the black by itself just would have been like plain, and I feel like the little blonde pieces gave it a little bit of life, a little bit of color. You know, there's nothing wrong with a little bit of color sometimes. So I did that, and I really like it, you know. Yeah, I feel like it came together pretty nicely. Now I'm gonna go over to doing my edges. So I use the edge booster edge control. That is my favorite edge control, to be honest. That's the only one I really use, and they have so many scents. Like, why would you not want to just test out all their scents? Because it smells so good. Why would you not want your edges to smell good? Like, your hair should smell good, you should smell good, everything should smell good on you. And they have so many different scents. So, and it's a bomb edge control, so you guys should definitely try it. Alright, so now I'm going in with some mousse, and I also wet the hair as well. I put some water in it. But you guys could definitely use water. You can use mousse, you can use conditioner, just a little bit of conditioner, and it would really definitely bring out the curls more. But yeah, guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me do this DIY at home. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.